A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 9:15 am Central Standard Time for southwestern Kendall and northwestern Bexar counties. At 8:44 am Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Bourne, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard: quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damage to vehicles as expected. Locations impacted include Bourne, Fair Oaks Ranch, Cross Mountain, Walnut Grove, Leon Springs, Sisterdale, Kreuzberg, Welfare, Nelson City, Kronkosky State Natural Area, Cascade Caverns, Crown, and Scenic Oaks. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. & hail threat. Radar indicated, max hail size 1.00 in. Wind threat. Radar indicated, max wind gust less than 50 miles per hour. Beep, 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 beep.